If you want to adjust the sound quality on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is you can open settings. Next, in the settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and go to sound and vibration. And then in here, you should be able to find sound effects. We can set the sound to be more dynamic with full bass, detailed sound, and a strong sense of a rhythm, and that brings a more impactful sound experience. And it is also powered by Dolby Atmos. And we can also switch to balance, which is more natural, fresh, and balanced sound for a delicate and comfortable listening experience. Besides that, we have different profiles over here, like we have the default sound, we have immersive sound with the 360 degrees experience, we have the voice profile, which brings out subtle vocal details, and we can also go to more in order to, for example, use an equalizer. So these are pretty much equalizers. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.